Swing traders target 2% to 4%. 9/21/2024. Dear friends, I am a swing trader from last 4 years. This video is for swing traders education purpose and one who is ready to accept 2% to 4% of profit for their entry. If you are looking for 10% or 20% quick profit, then this video is not for you. If you are a working professional or housewife wants to learn and earn some additional income in stock market but don't have time to find right stocks for your every entry, this video will help you and educate you. In this video, we will discuss about what are the stocks I had entered last week and its outcome, and what is the plan for Monday swing trade. Every Saturday, we will release this video. This is not a call or stock recommendation. Please consult your financial planner before you take entry. Thank you. Please note, last week I bought these few following stocks. However, because of profit booking and Nifty is in all-time high, most of my stocks hit stop loss. Few hit 2% target and a few missed my 4% target, later hit my stop loss as well. To avoid this mistake, when Nifty is in all-time high, from today onwards, my target is only 2% and my stop loss is strong red candle. Let's see the outcome in coming weeks. So PFC, Sarigama 361, JP Chem, Caplift, Coromon, Usha Mart, Infi, PPL, Pharma, Cipla, Century, Ajanta Pharma, Grasim. These views are hit my stop loss. So anyway, we will check that details in next few slides. Even I could not cover all these red stocks, but I had given few red stocks for your reference. What is the reason it hit my stop loss? Let's see. Thank you. See, this is the Power Finance Corporation. The stock is in higher high. However, it is in peak already and it is in the what you call it double top. So I should not enter, but mistakenly I entered in this stock, and after the entry I realized the mistake. But however, before that it came down and hit my stop loss. So the lesson I learned from is don't enter when the stock is already in peak, and if it is in double top, expect lower low from there. Not only the reasons, if you check in this on this particular day, Nifty, it is also going higher high, means it's in peak. So not a right entry for me. I have to face the stop loss. I exit with the stop loss. Thank you. Sarigama India Limited. My entry is right. You see, my entry is exactly in the pullback. It is in support, and the candles also slightly red, but it shows after my entry. It doesn't matter. But the stocks goes higher high after that, but it hit my TSL. It didn't hit my 4% target. But if you check and see, it hit my 2% target as well, but I didn't exit at 2%. I was waiting for 4%, but it came back and hit my stop loss. That's why whenever Nifty is in very peak and a new high is going, don't expect even 4% also. Expect 2%, that is good enough, come out. So in this way, from now onwards, my target is only 2% of target. Let's see in the coming videos. Thank you. 361. So here I entered in a wrong entry because the stock is already in the peak. I should not enter in the peak. I supposed to wait for good pullback, but I didn't get any pullback. I didn't get any good stock on that day. That's why I got the stocks. I entered in this one. So don't enter in a wrong stock. If you don't get any right stock, no issues. Just wait for next day and find out your right stock for your entry. So here I entered in the wrong stock in the peak. So that after that my entries, I was waiting for a few more days, but it came down and hit my stop loss without any mercy. So whenever if you get a right stock with right analysis, enter that one. Otherwise don't take any entry to save your money. Thank you. This one, Kaplan point. So my entry is right in the morning. After that, means at the time of closing, it turned out red with selling pressure. So always don't expect all the higher stocks will go higher and it will hit your target. Sometimes it will turn red and it will hit your stop loss on the same day itself. So in this case, after my entry, stock goes lower level and they hit my stop loss. To avoid this type of fall, I always enter 50% morning, rest 50% at the time of closing. I will check whether the candle confirm my entry or not. If the candle shows red, then I will stop that 50% entry. I will not add 50% more. Even if the candle shows the strong selling pressure and I try to exit on that particular stock on the same day, I will not continue in that particular stock. Thank you. Piramal Pharma. I entered in a right stock, a right time, but unfortunately after my entry, the stock goes low because of selling pressure. You see that you can see that green candle. It shows very limited buying and lots of selling is there. So I was waiting for next few days, but it didn't go as my expectation. It turned about strong red candle, but basis on that I didn't exist. I was waiting for to hit my stop loss. This is not a right way. Whenever you see a strong red candle, it's time to exit in that stock instead of stick with your stop loss. Most of the people they advise you to wait for to hit the stop loss. No, it is not a correct one. Whenever you see a strong red candle means the stock is ready to go down and it's going to hit your stop loss. So don't wait for to any stocks to hit your stop loss. Just exit based on the candle. That is good enough. Find out a new stocks for your next entry. Thank you. Okay, I think you have seen all my entries on all my stocks. Will the entry hit our target? If Nifty goes up few points, there is a 60% chances it will hit our target. If Nifty goes down, 40% chances it will hit our stop loss as well. Wait and watch these stocks in coming days. We will discuss on weekly Saturday journal about their outcome. If anyone says he is a trader, ask the journal weekly and profit and loss account monthly statement. If they are not ready to show, don't trust them. Watch my videos every week. If you think this video is helpful, inform your friends and educate them. Thanks.